Home gardening offers a wide range of mental and physical health benefits, making it a rewarding and fulfilling activity. Here are some key advantages. Number 1, stress reduction. Gardening provides a natural escape from the stresses of everyday life. Spending time outdoors, surrounded by greenery and fresh air, can help reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and promote relaxation. A study published in the Journal of Health Psychology in 2009 found that gardening can reduce cortisol levels and improve mood. Participants reported more positive moods and lower levels of stress after a gardening task compared to a reading task indoors. Another study in the Journal of Physiological Anthropology in 2011 demonstrated that gardening can lead to decreased stress and improved mood due to the interaction with nature and physical activity involved. Number 2, physical exercise. Gardening involves various physical activities such as digging, planting, weeding, watering, and harvesting. These tasks provide a good workout for muscles, promoting strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular health. The American Journal of Public Health published a study in 2013 showing that gardening is a moderate-intensity physical activity that can contribute to weight control and overall health. Number 3, improved mood. Being around plants and engaging in gardening activities can elevate mood and promote feelings of happiness and well-being. It's been linked to increased levels of serotonin, which contributes to a sense of contentment. The Journal of Applied Rehabilitation Counseling in 2011 published a study highlighting the positive effects of horticultural therapy on reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety in various populations. Number 4, connection with nature. Gardening allows people to connect with the natural world, fostering a sense of appreciation and respect for the environment. This connection with nature can lead to a deeper sense of purpose and interconnectedness. Research published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology in 2010 indicates that exposure to nature, such as gardening, is associated with increased life satisfaction and well-being. Number 5, mindfulness and mental focus. Gardening encourages mindfulness because it requires attention to detail and being present in the moment. This can help divert attention from negative thoughts and increase focus on the task at hand. Many gardening tasks are somewhat repetitive and can be meditative. Number 6, cognitive stimulation. Planning a garden layout, learning about different plants, and problem-solving challenges that arise while gardening can stimulate the brain and promote mental agility. A study in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease in 2016 found that gardening activities can reduce the risk of dementia and improve cognitive function in older adults. Number 7, vitamin D exposure. Spending time in the garden exposes individuals to sunlight, which can trigger the body's production of vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. A study published in the Journal of Investigative Medicine in 2012 found that gardening can increase vitamin D levels in adults. Number 8, social interaction. Home gardening can be a social activity, allowing people to connect with neighbors, fellow gardeners, or family members. Social interactions contribute to mental and emotional well-being. Research published in the Journal of Aging and Health in 2004 suggests that gardening can promote social interaction, leading to increased emotional and psychological well-being in older adults. Number 9, nutritious food access. Growing fruits and vegetables at home provides access to fresh and nutritious produce, contributing to a healthier diet. Not to mention, food grown at home stays fresh longer than food purchased in the store. Number 10, a sense of accomplishment. Successfully growing plants and seeing the fruits of your labor can boost self-esteem and provide a sense of accomplishment, which can positively impact mental health. A study in the Journal of Public Health in 2011 demonstrated that participating in gardening and allotment activities can enhance self-esteem and promote a sense of accomplishment. So in summary, home gardening not only beautifies your living space, but also has numerous mental and physical health benefits. It offers a holistic approach to well-being by providing a sense of purpose, relaxation, physical fitness, and a connection with nature.